Good morning. We're here at GSI and we're going to conduct a dog bone tensile test. It's Astm D6693. It's pretty apparent by the shape of the specimen why they call it a dog bone test. This is a continuous rate of extension machine. Data acquisition is load as well as elongation. These are the grips of the apparatus. The grips are separated by 2.5 inches. The 2.5 or 65 millimeter grip separation. Specimen goes, it's centrally located within the grips. Top grip first, and then the bottom grip. And then run at 2 inches per minute or 50 millimeters per minute. We will start the test, and the test will run. It'll propagate. These polyethylene HDPE in particular will exhibit a yield, and it'll have a yield and then subsequently a break. The yield is pretty close. It's probably within about 16 to 20% strain, and you can see the yielding of the material right here. Here you see the test. It's propagating a bit further. This is undergoing significant elongation prior to break of the material. Obviously the load is increasing. Please realize the deflection is monitored off of crosshead movement, and that's crosshead movement of this upper crosshead, which is moving at a continuous rate of 2 inches per minute or 50 millimeters per minute. There you saw rupture of the material. This was the specimen originally, and you saw failure of the material. As you can see by the curve, we have a pronounced break and a pronounced yield. The yield values for this particular sample were at 44.4 pounds, which corresponds to 178 pounds per inch. We had a deflection at that yield of 0.234, which corresponds to about 18% elongation. At the break value, which you see from the slide, we see about 72 pounds, and that corresponds to 288 pounds per inch at break. Subsequently, 18.7 inches of deflection and at break, and that corresponds to 938% strain or elongation. Please realize the yield values were off of 1.3 inches for the gauge length. The gauge length for break values were 2 inches, and the grip separation was 2.5 inches as per the standard Astm D6693. Signing out from GSI. All these properties go for GM13 specification.